Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel and you can like a particular video. In this video, I will tell you about 15 animals that are found only in India but nowhere else in the whole world. What are we waiting for? Let's start. First is the Sikkim deer. This rare deer is an subspecies of the brow-antlered deer and is found only in the Indian state of Manipur. Apart from being one of the rarest deers on the earth, the deer is only found in Kebu Lamjao National Park, Manipur, and it is the only floating national park in the whole world. The National Zoological Park in Delhi holds the record for having the highest number of captive Sikkim deers. It was thought to be extinct but was rediscovered in 1950. Recently, a survey has said that the population of the deer is increasing, with 200 to 300 population left in the wild. Second is the lion-tailed macaque. Found only in the Western Ghats, this macaque species is named after its tail, which looks like a lion's tail. It is one of the 23 living species of macaques. Their population in the wild is decreasing, with only 3,000 to 4,000 individuals left in the wild. The Arigner Anna Zoological Park, also known as the Vandalur Zoo, houses 19 lion-tailed macaques. From 2000 to 2021, 61 birds have took place in the zoo, out of which 14 have been given to 8 different zoos across India. It's an arboreal animal species. The most suitable habitat for these macaques are the tropical rainforest. Third is the Indian wild ass. The Ran of Kutch in Gujarat has a Indian wild ass sanctuary, which is the last natural habitat for these wild asses. The Indian Ass Wildlife Sanctuary is also the largest wildlife sanctuary in India. The population of this wild ass is increasing, with 6,082 left in the wild as of 2020. It is one of the fastest Indian animals, which can run up to a speed of 70 to 80 km per hour. If you want to watch these asses race, you should visit the Junagadh Zoo in Gujarat. This zoo is famous for Asiatic lions, but still has the highest captive population of Indian wild ass. Fourth is the Malabar Civet. Did you know that the Malabar Civet is the rarest civet in the whole world? This nocturnal and elusive animal is found in the Western Ghats. If you want to get a glimpse of the civet, you can visit the Thiruvananthapuram Zoo. Since 1990, nobody spotted a single Malabar civet in the wild. That is why this species was thought to be extinct. But an incident in 2020 proved that this species is still existing. During the lockdown, a Malabar civet was spotted crossing the roads of Calicut. Many believe that this is a Malabar civet, but others say that this is other species of civet. Fifth is the Kashmir Deer or Hangul. The Dachikam National Park is best known for this deer. According to a survey in 2019, only 237 Hanguls are left in the wild. If you want to watch them, you can visit the Pahalgam Zoo. It's the state animal of the Indian state Jammu and Kashmir. To save this critically endangered species, Jammu and Kashmir, along with IUCN and WWF, the World Wildlife Fund, has raised a project called Project Hangul. Sixth is the Nilgiri Tahr. Eraviculam National Park has the highest population of the Nilgiri Tahr with 700 individuals. This endangered wild sheep species is native to the Nilgiri hills of the Western Ghats. It looks like a goat, but genetically represents a sheep. It is native to the grassland region of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Also known as the Nilgiri ibex, this species is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Their population today lies between 2000 to 2200. If you want to watch them hop, you should visit the Memphis Zoo. They can form groups from 6 to over 100 individuals. Seventh is the Pygmy Hog. Did you know that the Pygmy Hog is the smallest pig in the whole world? And did you know that the Assam State Zoo is the only zoo in the whole world where you can find the Pygmy Hog? The last natural habitat for this hog is in the Manas National Park of Assam. It is marked as endangered with less than 250 mature individuals left in the wild. These animals are diurnal, which means they are active during the day. It is the only living species of the genus Porcula. This omnivore spends 6 to 10 hours of a day to find its food. Females live in a group consisting of 4 to 6 members, while the males are solitary. They can live up to 7 to 8 years in the wild and up to 14 years in captivity. It was thought to be extinct in 1960 but was rediscovered in 1971. Recently, the 110th captive bred pygmy hog was released into the wild. 8 is the Asiatic lion or the Persian lion. This lion is only found in the Gir National Park of Gujarat, but nowhere else in the whole world. Gir National Park in total has 674 Asiatic lions and 300 leopards. Did you know that once in the 20th century, only a dozen Asiatic lions were left in the wild because of excessive hunting? Today, luckily, their population in the wild is increasing. Their population in the park is increasing, but still, they are at the brink of extinction. If you want to watch these lions roar, you should visit the Junagadh Zoo. 9th is the purple or Pignosed frog. This frog is native to the Western Ghats. Discovered in 2003, today it is crowned as Kerala's state amphibian. This frog also spends most of its life underground. That's why very little is known about this frog. Scientists believe that this frog was separated from its ancestors about 100 million years ago. 10th is the Nilgiri wood pigeon. Marked as vulnerable, this bird species is native to the Nilgiri hills of Western Ghats. Today, their wild estimated population ranges from 3,500 to 15,000 individuals. This bird is rarely sighted down the hills. It is one of the largest pigeons found in India. If you want to watch this bird fly, you should visit the Alipur Zoo in Kolkata. 11th is the Amboli Toad. The toad is found only in a relatively small patch of 10 square kilometers in Amboli of Maharashtra. The toad is less than 1.5 inches in length with a black-brown body and a yellow throat with black spots. This frog was discovered in 2009. It is critically endangered, though no conservation action has been undertaken. 12th is the Nilgiri blue robin. If you want to watch this bird flap its wings, you should visit the Thrissur Zoo in Kerala. This endangered bird species is endemic to the Shola forests of southern India. It is found only in the mountains which have the range above 1200 meters. 13th is the malai gliding frog. Marked as critically endangered, this frog species is native to the Malai hills of southern India. If you want to watch this frog croak, you should visit the Beijing Zoo in China. Did you know it can make gliding jumps of 9 to 12 meters and a maximum of about 115 times its length? It saves itself from predators by camouflaging in the trees or gliding. 14th is the bronzeback vine snake. In length, this snake is 2 meters long. This snake species is native to the Western Ghats. If you want to watch this snake hiss, you should visit the Mysore Zoo. The last but not the least, and the 15th one, is the Namdafa flying squirrel. The only alive record of this flying squirrel was recorded in 1981. As you can see in the picture, this photo was taken by Subhendu Shekhar Saha in 1981. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon.